Bliss. How you guys doing? So today's video is about asparagus and the benefits of it. If you're new tuning in, let me just give you guys a quick shout out and say welcome, welcome, welcome. Show some support, show some support, and click that bell notification so that you'll be alerted of new videos. And also, you guys, give me a thumbs up and subscribe because I love you now because you decided to check out today's video. So as you guys can see, I'm getting me some asparagus together. I'm pulling me a couple of these vegetables from the stock because I'm not going to cook the whole bunch in one day. Next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to break off or cut off the bottoms because they are hard. Save that for another day. A little bit about asparagus if you guys are wondering, because that's the point of today's video. Asparagus is full of many nutrients but very few calories. So that's always a good thing. It's a good source of antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect your cells from harmful effects of free radicals and stress. So that is definitely a good thing as well. Also, it can improve digestive health. Dietary fiber is essential for good digestive health. Just a cup of asparagus contains 1.8 grams of fiber, which is 7% of your daily needs. So after I've gotten done rinsing off my asparagus, you guys, what I'm going to do is put a little bit of olive oil on it, add my seasoning of choice, the basic salt and pepper, and anything extra that you want to include, and I'm going to rub that all over throughout the asparagus. And you guys, a little bit goes a long way. It doesn't take a whole lot to season up this asparagus. So I just want you guys to know that. Another good thing about asparagus is that it helps support a healthy pregnancy. Asparagus is an excellent source of folate, also known as vitamin B9. Also, it helps lower your blood pressure. High blood pressure affects more than 1.3 billion people worldwide and is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Also, it can help you lose weight. So, y'all, that's a plus across the board. Lastly, it's easy to add to your diet. So, asparagus goes with a plethora of different food. You can have it as a side, you can eat it by itself. It's just whatever you like. Some people put it in salad. It's whatever. You can pair asparagus up with just about anything. Now, you guys, I place the asparagus in my skillet and I'm just going to cook it up just a tad bit, and then I'm going to follow up with some melted cheese. That's optional. You do not have to put cheese on yours, you guys, but I tell you, cheese takes it to a whole nother level. This can be vegan cheese if you're pescatarian or vegetarian, or you can go full-blown cheese. It's just what you really like, or you can go without the cheese. It just really depends on you. Anyway, you guys, that concludes today's video. Please, please, please know that I love you. Smooches. Mwah.